Okay, just wanted to do a real quick video here. We're working on a Lowrance HDS12 Gen 2 Touch. Customer told me they replaced the battery in their boat, and after that it wouldn't power on. We got it on the bench. It seems to power on okay. We went ahead and started doing the preventive maintenance stuff before we even opened it. We updated. We first backed up customer waypoints, trails, customer data. We upgraded to the latest firmware, latest operating system version. We also imported the backed up data back into the unit. It's working good. Everything seems to be fine. So we take apart the unit to start doing preventive maintenance. Excuse me one sec. Alright. Sorry about that. So what was I saying? We did some preventive maintenance, software update, blah, 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 blah. We tore the thing apart. Just to make sure there was, no damage internally. We started doing preventive maintenance, just normal preventive maintenance on the board we always do. Sonar circuit, MOSFET, stuff like that. And then we noticed right here. Let me put this under the microscope. This is exactly what the customer, the issue the customer is having right here. This is the cause. So, intermittent power, basically. As you can see, right there, I don't know if I'd call it corrosion or what it is, because this is a sealed connector, but this is the second time I've seen this. In fact, the first time I saw this, it was quite a bit more major. Several lines were I'm going to just call it corroded, and I actually had to create a completely custom keypad assembly to fix it. In this case, it looks like it's just one line. Unfortunately, that line is for the power button. If it was for like 7 and 8 or the LEDs, if it was for the LEDs, it wouldn't be a big deal. It is for the power button, so I guarantee that's the issue the customer's having. Even though we can't duplicate the problem or replicate it, it doesn't mean the customer's not having the problem. I mean, if we let this thing go the way it is, and we said, oh, sorry, everything looks good, I guarantee it would come back, because the customer would eventually have that problem again. So I think what we're going to do here, I'm going to double check again to make sure I'm going to delaminate the power button assembly here, inspect it really well carefully, make sure everything is good. If there's no other corrosion on here and it looks okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take a fine piece of wire. We're going to go to, we're going to trace out to see which side of the power button switch is damaged, and we're just going to take a jumper wire and go there directly through, route it around, secure it to that existing flat cable, and solder it right to the connector. Done. And that'll resolve the issue for the customer long term, and they'll be good to go. Alright, just wanted to mention that if you guys are having intermittent power button issues, or maybe your unit won't even turn on, take a look at that cable right there. If you see a black spot or a dark spot, especially on the bottom 2 lines, I guarantee that's where your problem is. So, anybody has any fish finders, Lowrance, Garmin, Humminbird, or any electronic devices, the website is www.rudolphrepairs.com. Shoot us an email, rudolphrepairs@gmail.com. If you want, you can give us a call, 1-800-517-9101. Until next time, guys.